Listen and practice English.
Excuse me, young man. Can you help me cross the road?
Of course, ma'am. Please walk slowly.
Thank you. The traffic looks very busy today.
Yes, many cars are passing right now.
I cannot walk very fast anymore.
That is okay. Take your time. These vegetable bags look heavy. Can I hold them for you?
Oh, thank you. They are hurting my hands.
Let me carry them until we cross the road.
You are very kind to help me.
No problem. I am happy to help.
I bought potatoes, tomatoes, and carrots today.
The market must have been crowded this morning.
Yes, there were many people there.
Please be careful. The road is still busy.
I feel safer walking with you.
We are almost across now.
Thank you so much for helping me and carrying my bags.
You are welcome, ma'am. Please stay safe.
May God bless you, young man.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, you can sit here.
Thank you. The bus is very crowded today.
Yes, many people are going home from work now.
Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, I use it for work every morning and evening.
I am new in this area.
Really? Where did you move from?
I moved here last week from another city.
Oh, welcome to the city then.
Thank you. People here seem very friendly.
Most people are kind and helpful here.
That is nice to hear.
Are you here for work or study?
I came here for a new job.
Congratulations. I hope everything goes well for you.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Oh, this is my stop now.
Okay, have a safe trip home.
You too. Goodbye.
Hello, can you help me quickly?
Yes, what happened at home?
The washing machine stopped suddenly.
Did you switch it on again?
Yes, but it's still not working.
Is there water on floor there?
Yes, water is leaking everywhere.
Please turn machine off first.
Okay, I switched it off now.
Good. Do not touch wet wires.
I feel really worried right now.
Do not worry, we can fix it.
Clothes are still inside machine.
Did you try opening the door?
No, the door is completely stuck.
Maybe machine stopped during washing cycle.
I do not know what to do now.
Please stay calm a little longer.
Are you coming home soon now?
Yes, I am leaving office now.
Water is spreading near kitchen now.
Please use towels near machine.
Okay, I'm cleaning floor now.
I will reach home very soon.
Please come quickly, I'm scared.
Do not worry, I'm nearby.
Good afternoon. I would like to borrow a book today.
Good afternoon. Sure. Do you already have a library card?
Yes, I made one last month.
Great. What kind of book are you looking for?
I need a science book for my school project.
We have many science books on the second floor.
Can you recommend an easy one for beginners?
Of course. This book about planets is very popular with students.
That looks interesting. Can I borrow it for 2 weeks?
Yes, students can keep books for 14 days.
Perfect. Do I need to sign anything?
Just give me your library card, please.
Here it is.
Thank you. Let me scan the book first.
Okay.
Done. The return date is written on this slip.
What happens if I return it late?
There is a small fine for each extra day.
I understand. I will return it on time.
Good. Would you also like a quiet place to study?
Yes, please. I need to finish my homework too.
The reading area near the windows is very quiet.
Thank you for your help today.
You are welcome. Enjoy your book.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.